Hey Matt.
Hi Lucy.
Matt, today we're looking at how to predict future actions in progress. Hey, isn't your sister coming to visit?
Oh yeah, that's right.
When does she get here?
Well, at this time tomorrow, her plane will be landing.
Great.
I don't know about that.
No, not your sister. You used the future progressive to talk about a future action in progress.
I did?
You did. Let me show you. You can use the future continuous tense to talk about actions that will be in progress in the future. You need to use will plus be plus the ing form of the verb. For example, at this time tomorrow, her plane will be landing.
And in progress means happening at that time.
Yes, that's right.
Do we need to use be? Can we just say will doing instead of will be doing?
No, remember that will is a modal verb.
So that's like must or can or should.
Exactly. And after a modal verb, you must use the infinitive without to, just the plain verb. So that's why we have be before ing.
So how is will be doing different from will do?
Well, will be doing means that something will be happening for a long time, or it will be happening at the moment we're talking about. So, for example, on Tuesday, your sister will shop. Just means that it will happen in the future. But on Tuesday morning, your sister will be shopping means that it will be in progress on the morning and it'll probably take a long time.
Oh yeah, when she shops, it always takes a long time.
You poor thing.
So what did we learn today?
We learned how to predict future actions in progress using the future continuous. So, how long is your sister going to stay with you?
A month.
A month?
Yeah, and by this time next week, she'll be driving me crazy.
Ugh.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.